All right, welcome back to this third video, and in this video I'm going to be showing us how we can edit the pictures we've generated using Remini app. Right, so I believe by now we've mastered how to use the app and we've started generating pictures and also making money from it. Right, I believe we are doing so. And if you're having challenge at any point, please do not hesitate to let me know. Probably your app is misbehaving, because the app sometimes it misbehave. I will let you know what to do. Right, please do not hold on, because I've tried to reach out to as many of us as I can to ask us how it's going. But if you're having challenge and I didn't reach out to you, please do reach out and ask your questions. All right, so okay, so let's get into it. All right, see, this is the Lightroom. So just go over to Play Store and search for Lightroom, but I'm going to be dropping the link to get it on Play Store to in this Telegram channel. Right, so let's go ahead and open it. All right, so when the app opens, this is not the first thing you're going to see if you are a first user. Right, if you're a first user, this is not the first thing you're going to see. You're going to be asked to sign up. Right, so you just follow the process. Preferably just sign up using your Google, and it's going to be very easy. Then you are going to come over here. When you come here, all these parts will be empty because you've not done anything. I've done some things, that's why you are seeing these pictures here. So the first thing you're going to do, or you want to do, is to create an album, right, where you can put in the pictures you want to generate. So you come over to this plus icon, click on it and click on album. Then you type in the name of the album. Probably just type in the name you want to save it with. Click on OK. Now you're going to open it. You see it's empty. So you click on this icon here and it will take you to your phone. So you just go and select. Alright, so you can now select the pictures you want. I'm going to be selecting this and then click on add. It would upload automatically. The next thing you are going to do is select one of these pictures, like open it. Now you see when you select it, all these options down here came up. These are the tools we are going to be using to edit, and when you scroll you will see others, so it's easier. When you are done with first one, you can move over to the next one. Right, so yeah, that's it. And then before you start editing a picture, you need to ask yourself, what do I want to achieve? Right, that's the first thing you need to ask yourself, because it will help you in your editing. You don't just start editing. Ask yourself, what do I want to achieve? And there are things you need to look out for while editing pictures. First is the brightness. Is the picture bright enough? Then the color, then the details, and the smoothness of the pictures. There are other things, but you can start looking out for these ones. Right, so what do you want to achieve? This picture, first of all, it's smooth enough, so I wouldn't be talking about smoothness. What I might be talking about is the details for me. So you need to ask yourself, there are some pictures that are dark. This one is clear, is bright enough. If your picture you're using is dark, you can then work on increasing the brightness. Right, and another thing is picture editing. It's something you get better while practicing. Right, for the first time you might not get it 100%, but with practice you can now know what works. You can now know what to put together. Like, you know the effects that are beautiful. Right, so it's constant practice. So if at first what you're getting is not giving you all that vibe, don't kill yourself. It gets better with time. Now let's start using the tools. This app has auto. You see auto over here. What auto is means that they will automatically edit it for you. So if you like what they did, you can save it. I think I like this. But if you don't like it, then you can start with manual editing. Right, you can start with manual editing. So the next thing here is light. So if you want to decrease it or increase it, you see this picture is bad. So pictures like this are not okay. If your picture is like this, you need to decrease the exposure. It's too exposed. So I don't want to do that. I want to unchange. You should go back. All right, so the next thing is color. Assuming you want to work on color, you can come here, you can just change it. But let me go back to the original picture, right, so that we can see the changes. So the next one here is effects, so the texture. So I said I might want to add a little bit texture. I think I like this. So you can play around all the settings until you achieve what you want to achieve. Then the next one I like again is details, sharpening. I like to add that sharpening, that texture to images. So it's made for me, it makes it look real, right? So just add a little bit of texture, of skin texture to it. So you just adjust until it's okay. I think this is fine by me. So yeah, you can hold press, like you can long press on the picture to see before and after. You can long press to see before and after, so you can see the changes you've made, if that's okay by you. Right, so you can save this preset is like all the changes you've made. You can save it in case you want to use it on another picture. You might not want to come over and start again. So how do you save it? Just come to these three dots, you see create preset. So you can now put in a name, just type in anything and save, right? So now it's saved. Where can you find it? You scroll and go to presets. This recommended, this premium, go under yours. You see this first one, user presets. You see the edit. So if you have multiple presets saved, you can find them here. Right, so these are other default presets that they've already saved here. You can check them and play around with it to see if it suits you, right? So I'm going to go back. So yeah, I think that's that. So the next thing I want to do now is to save this picture. How do you save? Click on this share icon. You'd see the second option, save to device. So it's saving, it's saved. All right, so that's it. Then you can go to the next one. Now let's try and apply that preset we saved and see how it looks on this second picture. It's fine, so I would go ahead and save it. But if it's not fine by me, I would still edit it manually. So that's it. All right, so I've saved it. Okay, so you continue like that until you are done. So as I said, don't forget, do not get overwhelmed, because when you come and you see all these options here, be like, what can I do? You can do other things here. You can crop pictures, you can rotate and all that. So do not get overwhelmed of all these tools. Just first of all, have in mind, what do I want to achieve? It will help you, and as I said, it gets better with practice. So this is how you can edit pictures using Photolab. I hope you got value from this video, and if you do, please like this video, and I would see you in the next video.